Taking a free kick in. It's a lot.
We haven't
Side off the last free kick. One for Ultra at the moment. Good save again. Good save by the keeper here.
What a save! What a save!
Becky!
Ooh. Yeah!
Coming up next. You're talking the grand final. They're coming up next. 5, 4, 3, 2.